Here's some good tools for Amazon product research with the best discounts for those tools and videos that show you how to use them in the description of the video. Those tools will help you find good products to sell on Amazon, and the videos that you're going to see also have like different techniques on how to use them and how to look at product research on Amazon. So check it out in the description, best discounts and the best videos that show you how to use the tools. So first one we have for you is Helium 10, a tool for product research on Amazon. Helps you with finding different products. There's a Chrome extension for this tool as well to help you kind of see data behind different niches on Amazon, and you can see different numbers. You can see sales analytics. In the description you have a free account of Helium 10, best discounts, and a video that shows you how to use the tools of Helium 10. Number 2 is ZonGuru, also a tool for product research on Amazon. There is a good set of discounts for ZonGuru in the description, and a video that shows you how to use the tools of ZonGuru as well. You have some product research there, also keyword research, but this video kind of shows you how to use the tool itself. I'll also add links to playlists of tutorials for Helium 10 and for ZonGuru and for the next tool that's upcoming. But in those playlists, you'll see more videos. For Helium 10, I believe I have over 200 videos for you, right? So browse the playlist, find like different videos for yourself, and over 100 videos for ZonGuru. So the links are in the description. So first one again is Helium 10, second one ZonGuru, best discounts, everything in the description. And tool number 3 is called SmartScout. Okay, so we have SmartScout, also best discount in the description, plus a video that shows you how to use SmartScout for product research with Scott Needham, the founder and CEO. Very interesting video in my opinion. This tool is good for product research for private label, but also for wholesale sellers on Amazon, right? There's the best discounts in the description. Yeah, check it out. Check it all out and have a good day. Okay, thank you.